Welcome to the Pond Plant Girls Show, where we do everything from road trips, gardening, and fishing. So, come follow me. Welcome back. I had a garden friend tell me that she couldn't keep a pond because the local authorities kept on dumping it out due to mosquitoes. So today I'm going to show you how maybe you can trick those guys and have a pondless pond. The first thing you'll need is something like a barrel container, and these you can find at Dollar General or at Walmart online. They're very inexpensive. They're about $16 or $17 with tax. Fill your barrel with Miracle-Gro soil, that's what I use, and you can choose a huge variety of pond plants, rather bog plants, that will be beautiful in your pondless pond. Here is dwarf canna. This is my first year growing it, and I just love it. You can choose a regular canna if you want to, but these dwarfs are so cute. And let's not forget water lotus. Yes, you can have water lotus and a pondless pond. Okay, let's keep on going. I know.
She comes down the stairs in a green sundress, a rose gold necklace I gave her on, long hair bouncing off her sunglasses. Man, she really turns me on. Parasol resting on her shoulder, hops in my truck, $1 million smile. She said, baby, where are we going? I said, let's get lost for a while. I wanna roll with you, stroll with you, run around the storm with
Still more to go.
Lay your head down on me, baby, making all our dreams come true. I wanna roll with you. She's riding a base, wearing my t-shirt. Go back to bed, laying in my arms.
This is going to take a while to fill up, but the point is just to keep the soil wet. I got the other pots a little bit too swampy, so This one I want to fill up just below the gravel level. You don't have to have gravel on here, but it helps to keep the soil from spraying out when you water. And also, it looks pretty darn nice. When you first put it in, you'll have to keep watering it until all the soil has soaked up the moisture. Otherwise, your roots might go dry. We don't want that. I'd like to say hello to McTavish, my friend from TikTok. Hey, buddy. Well, I am Gail, your pond plant, garden, and adventure girl. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time, okay? Keep on being you.